How to get a Canva Pro team invite link. Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a Canva Pro team invite link so you can share your Canva Pro subscription with your team. Let's jump right into it. First, let's quickly go over what a Canva Pro team is. Canva Pro lets you add team members to share your subscription, collaborate on designs, and access pro features together. It's perfect for businesses, educators, or creative teams. To get started, log into your Canva Pro account. Make sure you're using the account with the active Pro subscription. Next, on the left-hand menu, click on Teams. If you're on mobile, tap the menu icon and then select Teams. If you don't have a team yet, click Create a new team and follow the prompts. If you already have a team, select it from the list to manage it. Once you're in the team management page, look for the Invite People button. Click it, and you'll see the option to share a link. Simply copy the invite link and share it with your team members. Before sharing the link, make sure to set the right permissions for your team members. You can choose between admin or a member roles depending on what level of access they need. And that's it. Now you know how to get and share a Canva Pro team invite link. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy